This is Horizon FM. We shall now broadcast a tally-off to electrifying prospects.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine.
What's up guys, good morning. Today is my event. That's the Lotus Electra video first played at Bangsar. Lovely, lovely, yeah. Anyway, this is Bon Estate, alright, boutique, luxury, property developer, and they are at the heart of Bangsar. Look at that, opposite is just BSC, and they are the ones who built the lovely estate condominium in Bangsar South. And today is the event for Bon Kiara. Alright, we'll be in Mont Kiara, but it's the first condo there where every single unit has its own EV isolator. So that's why I brought the mini EV here, just because I have it as a test car. I was like, hey, I was doing my review on the way here, and then I park it here, and then of course the most expensive charger in the market, Juice Box from Italy by X. X is a big power company in Italy, so there is a reason why people buy Hitachi refrigerators as opposed to the cheapest refrigerator you can find, right? Same goes to charger. So for me, if I buy a car that is 500,000, 600,000, you know, would I want to save 2,000-3,000 on a charger? This is 6,000. It's not crazy expensive, even though it's the most expensive. It's 6,000 ringgit. I wouldn't want to go all my way to find the cheapest 2,000 ringgit charger out there, because the components, the chips, everything is different. The support, every Juice Box charger comes with a 1 million ringgit insurance. If anything goes wrong, you know you're covered. Anyway, now waiting for the Lotus Electra to arrive here. First time displaying itself in Bangsar. Okay, now we don't sell cars here. It's just to jive in the theme, because Bon Kiara, every single owner, 400 over units, every single owner can install their own charger, because they have the EV isolator on their bay. Let's say they have 2 bays, minimum 2 bays, there will be 1 isolator there. Okay, so yep, today is the event. It's still early now. The event starts at 11, and yep, waiting for things to start. We have valets over there where they can bring your car to park and all that, because there's not enough parking. There's only about 20-30 parkings there, and we're expecting 100 over guests today. And the Electra will be here. I put some umbrellas here, just so when those people who have seen the show gallery, have had their food, they want to have a look at the car, they can stand here under the shade, you know, in case it's hot. But the weather seems lovely today. It looks like it's gonna rain this morning, but seems like the dark clouds have dissipated. Okay, so yep, today is the day, 22nd of October at Bon Estates in Bangsar, our event. Yeah, one of the many events we do all year. Cheers. Oh, wait. We have the best F&B as well. So of course, once you come in, this is a brief intro for Bon Estates, and then the people here, the beautiful girls and guys, will greet you, and that's the scale model. And they're still doing their preparation here. A shout out to Monster Chef, the best. Really, I've tried them, they are the best. Okay, so yep, everyone's still preparing stuff. And so this is Bon Kiara. A friend of mine actually bought it as well. Really large units, 2,500 square foot. Go check out my review on my YouTube channel, Bobby R. And entrance is over there. 2 towers. You have some deck here, some quiet deck, you know, for reading or whatnot. And then here is the so-called the social house or clubhouse, you know, where you have the gym, blah blah. It's cantilevered over the pool. Then you have a garden. Yeah, and then at the back you have speed ramps that skip levels, and yeah, come and check it out.
I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun
Guys, look at the magic of this color. From grey, it switches to pink under the sun. Amazing. I don't think it's loud enough, lor. So guys, I'm here at Bangsar, right opposite of BSC shopping mall. This is Bon Estate Gallery. Look at the Lotus Electra in blossom grey. No sunlight is grey, with sunlight is pink. It's a freaking unique color, and it's the first time this color has been shown to the public, and we have it here exclusive at today's event, where Bon Estate and Lotus, look at that, the billboard of the Lotus there. Yep, today is a tale of two electrifying prospects by Evo Club and Horizon. Okay, why? Because Bon Estate has their Bon Kiara property in Mont Kiara, where it's the first project over there where every single of all the 400 over luxury condo unit owners can install their own EV chargers on their parking lot. And that's why we brought in the Lotus Electra together. Bon Estate was the developer that created the estate in Bangsar South, which is super successful and highly acclaimed, award-winning. And now they're coming out with Bon Kiara at Mont Kiara. Alright, do come over here today. It's 2 p.m. now. And come over here and check it out. And you can go upstairs for the gallery. We have some F&B here for you, some nice coffee. And this is Tower A, this is Tower B. Orange is sold, done deal, S&P signed. Yellow is booked, so some still available in Tower B. Tower A is mostly snapped up, still some available. Alright, today, 22nd of October at Bangsar. Alright, cheers.
Hi, I'm Jamie.
Are you first time here?
I've heard of this project before. The way they designed the place, as in the size and all, really impressive.
Do you know that they have a direct access to solar?
Yeah, they're building it, right?
Yeah.
Honestly, I really like the indoor balcony thing.
Nice, yes.
Yeah, the ceiling also really high. I really like it. Yeah.
Future potential buyer.
What really impressed me is they have day and suite. Normally in KL, master bedroom, yes. The two bedroom, they are sharing one common toilet. Of course, second thing, we have all the make EV point for us to install charger, you know. That save a lot of hassle and money for me.
Say hi, ma. Yep, today is the 22nd of October. I'm here at Bon Estate together with Lotus. As you can see, this is yet another event by Horizon for our Evo Club members. Yep. And we also make use of this opportunity to present the Lotus Electra in blossom grey, you know, in Bangsar. This color has never been seen before in person, and it's the perfect place because it's under the sun and you can see two shades of color of this car. Alright, so this is just opposite of BSC, and we're here today with people who RSVP to our events to come and visit Bon Estate on their new project, Bon Kiara at Mont Kiara. Alright, very nice project, very big layouts, and with affordable per square foot pricing. And it is also the first condo in Mont Kiara where every single owner, I mean in total there are 400 plus units, every one of them can install an EV isolator, on their parking base so that they can install their EV charger. Now let me remind you, when you buy this type of property, when you buy expensive EV cars like this, really high-end EV cars like this, you wouldn't want to charge your car with the cheapest charger you can find, right? So check out Juicebox, and you can also search Juicebox Best Charger Award. You can see how many awards they have won all over America and Europe, right? Because they are the best charger out there now. There's a lot of reason why they were awarded, so you can do a little bit of your own research, but this is the charger that I recommend people who buy high-end EV cars, not on a budget constraint. I mean, even if you talk about budget, how expensive is a nice EV charger like this? The best one is only 6,000 compared to 2,000 ringgit for the regular ones. It's about the same price as your tinting, right? And when it comes to tint, there are 500 ringgit tints as well. Anyway, so today we're all having a good time here, checking out the property, checking out the cars, and of course some lovely F&B from Monster Chef, one of the best providers. So it's an accumulation of some of the best stuffs all together. Yep. So do come over today. Now is 2 p.m. You still have some time to come over here and join us and check out this really nice Lotus Electra. And you can make an appointment with Lotus to see when you can go and do a test drive, and then of course you can check out which units are still available, not booked yet, and yep, make your choice. Come over here at Bon Estate, right opposite of BSC. Okay? Cheers!
Well, I like it. I mean, I came with ID. I like the black fixtures, so it comes with that. Price point is quite reasonable and very spacious. So I like the layout. Yeah. The walkway is it's like 50% larger than most other.
Because it's specially designed for wheelchairs to walk to.
Yeah,
it's wheelchair friendly.
That's brilliant.
Yeah, this is my first experience in Bon Estate. So I do have a couple of friends staying there, so I go to 163, 1MK sometimes. So the Bon Estates, the Bon Kiara, the one thing I like is the unit layout. It is super spacious. It doesn't feel like a condo. It feels like more of a landed property. They are facilities floor, their gym.
Yoga, gym.
That's right.
And then they have like a meditation deck,
Yeah, exactly. And because I swim a lot, so I like their swimming pool. Thank you so much.
Woohoo! Ouch! See that? Lotus Electra at Bangsar. Oh yes. Oh yes, the Lotus Electra is here in Blossom Grey. Look at that under the sunlight. Beautiful. Tama. Cantik warna dia.
This is my first time seeing this color. stunning. Oh my god.
Right? Right? There we go.